Kamusta? Ako si May. Ikaw? Hello there! This video will provide you with the common words used in the Philippines to help you learn how to speak Tagalog or Filipino. Without further ado, let's get started! Isa. 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 Meaning one. Hindi. 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 Meaning no. Gala. 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 Meaning hang out. Tulog. 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 Meaning sleep. Bahay. 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 Meaning house. Apoy. 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 Meaning fire. Makinis. 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 Meaning smooth. Maluwag. 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 Meaning loose or spacious. Nahahawakan. 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 Meaning tangible or something that can be touched. Gising. 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 Meaning awake. Medyas. 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 Meaning socks. Americano. 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 Meaning a male American. Gagamba. 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 Meaning spider. Payong. 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 Meaning umbrella. Mais. 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 Meaning corn. Lipad. 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 Meaning fly or to fly. Mabait. 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 Meaning kind or nice. Salita. 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 Meaning words. To. 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 Meaning this. Kaya. 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 Meaning can do or an ability to do something. Pananaw. 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 Meaning point of view. Tungkol. 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 Meaning about. Sang-ayon. 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 Meaning agree. Bula. 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 Meaning bubbles or foamy. Kanila. 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 Meaning theirs. Sila. 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 Meaning they or them. Thank you for learning with me. I hope to see you soon. Paalam!